Pari po, and very blessed po kami kay Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. For 10 years po na sinusubukan namin dito po sa industriyang ito. Nagpapasalamat po kami this year. And excited po kami for this coming year dahil magkakaroon na po kami ng own music. So, abangan niyo po yan. Para po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Dreamers, thank you very much. Thank you po.
Gawa siya. Sige, twins.
Music Museum, are you ready for this next big award? Dangal ng Musikang Pilipino awardee is, you ready for this? Roll VDR. Ano man ang sabihin nila, ika'y patuloy kong mamahalin.
In 1970, awardee, the Boyfriends. And to present the award, let us welcome the Pari board members, Ms. Kathleen Go, Ms. Mary Vic Benedicto, Mr. Ramon Chuaying, Mr. Rene Salta, and Mr. Alvin De
Okay pa po ba kayo lahat? Kumain na po ba kayo? Bigla na nag-spill. Okay po.
Ako naman, ang ate, di ba? Ganun yung yes. Okay na dun eh.
Congratulations, Alvin, for winning 2015's most downloaded song and artist.
Congratulations, Alvin Richards, for winning that great award. What's next?
And now let us welcome a finalist for the best performance by a female recording artist, Morissette!
So tired of holding on. What am I supposed to do if you're breaking my heart in two? Break my heart some more so I can cry for one last time. To break my heart some more and everything will be just fine.
Before we hand out the last 3 awards for the night, we would like to thank our sponsors. Of course, we have STI, Price Waterhouse Coopers, PW. sa'yo ganun bago ka matulog. But anyway, we are down to our last 3 awards tonight. Time!
Sung by Mateo Guidichen, ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, Star Music. Walang Anuman, Executive Producer, Ricky R.E.
Goes to Walang Anuman.
Basta't isipin di magbabago damdamin ko sa'yo.
Ipakadama Mateo Guidichen, ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, Star Music. Must Be Going Crazy, Alexander Diaz, AB. Best Pop Recording. Free Fall Into Love, produced by Kid Bulk, composed by Marian Honor and Jonathan Manalo, sung by Marian Honor. ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, Star Music.
I wanna fall in love.
Mr. Right, produced by Rocky Rocks P. Santos and Christian Martinez, composed by Christian Martinez, sung by King Chu. ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, Star Music.
Ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw na ba love of my life? Ikaw na ba nagsin sa iba pang nagkakita?
Ipapadama na lang, produced by Kid Bulk, composed by Jasper Lupon, sung by Mateo Guidichen. ABS-CBN Film Production Incorporated, Star Music.
Thank you so much, Barry. Thank you, Mateo. Thank you so much to Awit Awards. Lord, thank you so much for this award. I did not expect it at all. Thank you to Universal Records, Miss Kathleen Go.
Congrats, Nibs. Congratulations to all the winners out there.
Sorry, thank you so much.
Nibs, we're down to our last 3 awards.
We are down to our last 3 awards.
Before we move on to that, let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the voice. Isang lahi. Tayo lahat ay Pilipino. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome X Factor UK semi-finalist and our very own 4th Impact.
Half of Sarah and Volleyball and Viva Records, Boss Victor Rosario, Mr. Tony Ocampo, Boss Vincent de Rosario, Ms. Angie Mozo, Ms. Baby Hill, EFRM, and everybody at Viva Records. We would like to thank Mari for the recognition. And I would also like to share this award to all the artists who collaborated with Sarah, Hale, and of course Len Constantino. Sa lahat-lahat ng producers, composers, session musicians, backup vocalists na naging part ng production, the studio engineers, sa ating lahat to, and sa lahat-lahat ng mga sumuporta sa album, bumili ng album, and at tuloy-tuloy na sumusuporta sa Philippine music, mag-play tayo lahat. Salamat.
Alright, thank you again, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out tonight with us for the 29th Awit Awards.